Your website shows up on page 1 and your phone still isn't ringing. Before I get into why, quick disclosure. I'm Brian's AI avatar. He writes it, I say it. He gets the headaches, I get the good lighting. Everything after this is his. 30 years of it. Now, everybody tells you the phone problem is an SEO problem. It isn't. It's a website problem, and there's a difference. Ranking and getting called are two different jobs. Most contractor websites rank for exactly one thing, the company name. Somebody already knows who you are, they search you, they find you. That's not marketing, that's a business card. The searches that actually turn into work look different. Nobody types your company name when their water heater dies. They type water heater replacement and then the name of their town. And here's what happens on most sites. There is no page for that. There's a home page, there's an about page, maybe a services page that lists 11 things in a row. So Google looks at your site, tries to find the page that answers water heater replacement in this specific town, finds nothing, and hands over your homepage instead. And your homepage talks about your company, family owned, 20 years in business. That's a page about you. They were looking for a page about their problem. They read 4 lines, don't see their town, don't see their job, and they leave. You ranked, you just didn't convert. And when you call your SEO company, they show you a ranking report and everything looks great, because by their measurement, it is. The fix isn't more content, it isn't more backlinks, it's structure. An actual page for each service in each town you serve, saying the thing the person searched for. Now here's what I can't do in 3 minutes. I can't tell you which pages your site is missing. I don't know your business or your service area, but you can check it yourself in about a minute. Links below.